Hello, hello, whoever you are, wherever you are, welcome back to Nova Body. Go ahead and grab 2 weights or cans, that'll work. You're gonna stand in parallel with your feet right underneath your pelvis. You're gonna stand tall. Just be in your neutral spine here for a moment. Let's open the palms to face forward and let's feel the neutrality of our body. Let's feel our bones stacking, our eyes lifted, gazing out. Bend your knees slightly, and as you re-straighten, I want you to feel the back body, just this back space of you becoming more animated, more activated, more alive. Notice how that kind of turns on the whole system. You're gonna softly bend elbows and knees, breathing in. Exhale, send energy down through the feet, up to the crown of the head. You'll feel the back space aliven, and the front body is kind of open and active all at the same time. You'll notice. You'll feel it for yourself. Good, let's exaggerate that a little bit. You're gonna slightly bend the elbows. Think of it coming from the back of the body. Then exhale and press into the feet. Send the palms down to go back. And inhale, getting taller as you bend. Exhale, flipping and going straight through. Let's do that 3 more times. Start to catch the rhythm of it. You're gonna feel this in the structure of your body. So it's not gonna feel like it's one area, it's the wholeness of you. Let's go bend, hold, and you're gonna sit into your sitting bones back there. You're gonna bend your elbows 10. Keep it kind of soft in the armpits and really feel this coming from the core and the glutes. I think we're at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're gonna hold it on 10, stay right there. You're just gonna lower the palms and roll them in. Roll through the fingers, roll them in. Be gentle, feel the range of motion, and then go ahead and hold it curled in and pulse in just at the wrist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it on 8, flip the palms to face down. You're gonna extend the elbows back. You're gonna sit into those sitting bones a little bit deeper. You're gonna raise those palms, reach them up and back. Exhale. Drawing that abdominal wall towards the spine. You're gonna lower it down a little bit. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling that coordination and lowering. Exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Elongating the spine with each breath, each movement. 2, let's go 1 more. Hold, pause. Pulse up. 2, go slow. Get in the belly of the muscle. 4, 3, 5, 7, 12, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold it on 10. Sit into those heels a little bit deeper. Pulse the arms in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it on 8. Slightly bend the elbows so you're really in the triceps. Circle the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold it on 1. Hold it. Go a little bit higher. Go a little bit deeper. Feel it. Lean into it. Find where it burns. Find where it needs some attention. Go a little bit higher, deeper. Higher, deeper. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Go deeper. Go deeper. Pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pulse it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw a circle. We go 1, 2. Go deeper. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stand tall. Bend. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Bend. Exhale. Circling that energy through you. Feeling the infinity motion. Energy in, energy out. Breath in, breath out. You're gonna stay halfway down. You're gonna rotate forearms. 1, 2, 3. Really do it from the forearm and not from the wrist. Find it where it challenges you. I'm gonna go right in here and pulse it in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it on 8. Lift the wrists. Lower the wrists. And lift. Lower. Lift. Lower. Lift. Lower. 2, 1. Circle the wrist. Only. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In. Press. Feel this come from the back space, so it's not overly emphasizing the deltoids. These guys, it's not like it's coming from up top. It's like it's coming from your feet. Good, you're gonna go forward now. Can you keep your shoulders relaxed? Even though you're reaching up, it's like you're reaching from your feet. You're reaching through the whole fascial system. What do I mean when I say that? What I'm intending to encourage in your experience is that you're not thinking like a muscle. You're thinking like a pressurized unit, pressurized and interconnected. So we're not just thinking arms, we're thinking from feet through the legs, through every layer of skin, every layer of bone, ligament, tendon, blood, tissue, the wholeness of you. You're gonna come down, stay right there. Okay, here we go. You're gonna bend one elbow, pull it up and back as you reach the other one forward. The key here is don't move your hips. Back to center, don't move your hips, and don't move your head for right now. Keep your gaze. Feel this in the obliques. You're gonna go straight forward, pull back. 1, breathe in, exhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay on 8. Hold it there. Pull the elbows up and back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Extend the palms. And just do the same thing real slow. We've been doing this, but you're just gonna go really slow and get the belly of the muscle with each movement. Good. 2, 1 more. Lengthen, reach, lift, deepen, 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 deepen. Slowly pull the arms to a T. Slowly back. Slowly to a T. It's in the back space. It's in the back space. It's not the front driving. It's driven from the heels. Hold it, bend the elbows. Lift the right forearm, lower it. Let's tip a little bit. Switch. Can you isolate this at the head of the arm? Both. Hold it there. Pulse the hands back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Stay on 1. Turn in, turn out. Turn in, turn out. Turn in, turn out. Turn in, hold, pulse the elbows down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stay there on 8. Down, down, down. Hold it. Pulse back with the hands. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Circle the forearm down, around, and back up. So the upper arms and the upper body stay still. 2 more. Reverse. Pause. Pulse back. 10. Heavy weights. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reach through the palms. Turn in and one goes out. Switch. Switch. Good. Both go in, both go out. Both go in, out. 2, 1. Circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your little arm motion for today. Happy Nova bodying with you.